All right, let's go over example 1, finding the least common multiple using lists of multiples. And this is part of chapter 1, section 6, least common multiple. All right, problem A says find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. And over here I have the steps for finding the least common multiple. Step 1 says make list multiples of each number. So first let's list the multiples of 4. And over here I have my multiplication chart, because to find the multiples of 4, we can just go down this row and these are all the multiples of 4. Remember, the multiple of one number is that number repeated over and over again. So 1 times 4 is 4, so that's our first multiple. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm just going to keep going here. So 16, 20, 24, 28, 36. Now you're probably wondering, how many multiples do I have to list? Well, I would just list 5 to start with, and then if you need to keep going, you'll know when to keep going. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll explain that in a second. All right, now let's list our multiples of 6. So again, I could just look at my multiplication chart, and here's all of my multiples of 6. And then, of course, they keep going too. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. Sure, that looks good. It's bigger, so they're lined up. Awesome. So next step, step 2, circle the common multiples. So we need to circle the multiples that appear on both the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 6. Well, let's see. 12 is a multiple of 4, and 12 is a multiple of 6. 24 is a multiple of 4, and a multiple of 6. And 36 is a multiple of 4, and a multiple of 6. I realized I forgot to type in 30 here. That's why this looks funky to me. Let's fix that. My circle is going to be off. Okay, there we go. There's our pattern. Okay, so these are all of the common multiples. Step 3, find the least common multiple. Least means the same as smaller. So which of these numbers, 12, 24, or 36, is the smallest? 12 is the smallest, so the least common multiple is 12. Now, how do you know how many multiples to list? Well, if you've listed all of your multiples and you don't have a common multiple, that means you need to keep writing your multiples until you find at least one common multiple. Okay? Part B, find the least common multiple of 9 and 12. So step 1, let's list the multiples of each number. Let's list the multiples of 9, which is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Sure, let's stop there. And multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Okay. Step 2, circle the common multiples. I see that a common multiple is 36. It's a multiple of 9 and a multiple of 12. And I see that 72 is also a common multiple. Okay, that looks like it's it. Step 3, find the least common multiple. So which number is smaller, the least, 36 or 72? The least common multiple of 9 and 12 is 36. All right, check out the next video to see example 2.